guys, this is me, Kian, and I'm back with another Scratch video. Let's start. Open your Scratch window. This will take a few seconds. You will see this screen. Maximize the screen. Now, in the last video, I taught you how to make a project. And we are going to do the same in this video too. But we will make a different type of project. An arrow follow project. Or any project you like, we can make it. Go check my website at codewithkian.com. The link is in the description. So guys, now you can delete the sprite then choose any sprite or person you like. I am choosing the ballerina. Choose another sprite. I am choosing Kai. Choose any backdrop. Choose the chalkboard backdrop. Put the ballerina and Kai at the given coordinates. Now we will do coding. First, go to the events category and take the when green flag click block. Then take the looks block. Take this block. Type click the block to the green flag click block. Now we will animate the ballerina. Now we will make ballerina speak too. Now we will tell her to say, "Okay, brother." And then we will place 5 next costume blocks next to each other. So that when we click it, Now click the green flag. Now we will make Kai say very good. Now we will calculate it first and then we will make him say very good. We just forgot something. We have to make him say hello. And even the ballerina should say hello. First, let's animate that. Now, let's animate the very good saying. We should change the backdrop to boardwalk. Attach it. Now click the green flag. Now we will fix the mistakes. Delete these two blocks. Click the green flag. Fix the mistakes again. Click the green flag again. Click the green flag again. Stop it. Make changes. Click the Go button. So guys, now click the green flag and check it. They are perfectly acting. Do some more changes. Click the green flag again. Make changes again. Click the green flag. Make some more changes. Click the green flag again. Click the green flag again. So now you see, we have completed our project. Let's save it. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys. This is me, Kian, signing out.